IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What kind of scenery do you like the most? Band 5. Answer.
I like natural scenery the most. For example, I enjoy mountains and rivers because they make me feel relaxed. I think this kind of place is peaceful, so I like it.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, short sentences, a bit repetitive. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Natural, mountains, rivers, peaceful. Grammar. Mostly simple present, limited range. Pronunciation. Mostly understandable, but not always clear. Typical of Band 5. Communicates basic information with noticeable limitations. Band 7.5 Answer.
I usually prefer mountain scenery because it feels refreshing and gives me a sense of space. When I visit high places, I can see everything clearly, and that helps me relax after a busy week. I also like that mountain areas are quieter than cities.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, well-connected ideas. Lexical resource, good vocabulary. Refreshing, sense of space, quieter. Grammar, mix of simple and complex structures. Pronunciation, clear with natural stress and rhythm. Typical of Band 7.5, flexible language with occasional minor lapses. Band 9 Answer.
The scenery I enjoy most is coastal landscapes, especially places where dramatic cliffs meet the ocean. There's something incredibly calming about watching waves crash below you while the light changes across the water. It gives me a feeling of freedom and perspective that I rarely experience in daily life.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, detailed, and highly coherent. Lexical resource, precise, evocative vocabulary, dramatic cliffs, perspective, landscapes. Grammar, wide range of accurate and sophisticated structures. Pronunciation, natural, clear, and expressive. Typical of Band 9, fully natural and native-like control. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.